point of Tinsal, number 1. The merry dancers skyrin high aboon the fields and hills, the lochs, glims of the land, are fairly our poor the skelfo moon, their curtains trimson fae an uncan hand. A catty face sits watching on the fence, as moose and shrew all flegged rin to hide. No one of them the chuffsy wouldna flence, he tells his heed to fix them beady-eyed. In the far half a wave marks for the gyo, where a fishing boat stotters in the swa. The tide will ebb before she'll can to go to sea again, she'll no resist the draw. In the hoose up by, lamps locked, mirk is deep, the folk lie moored to their beds, whopped in sleep. 2. Sitting in the warmth of central heating, keeping out the cold and the howling gale, air source heat pump and double glazing, I mind on a yarn me mother's brother tell't. It was a story for me grandfather, their father, handed to him, or rather he would mouthed it, loving the sound of the old words, who they were delivered. His neighbour for the next firm hour, standing drooked by the fire, sirping wheat, on a day o' helly ifers and Shetland Scriever, saying, "What weather, min, what weather!" His cap in a krill in his hands which a lose. Rashy bulder after rashy bulder, and no a dry pit in the house. 3. The Orkney lexicographer Hugh Marwick travels to the North Isles in search of words for his dictionary of the Orkney Norn. Tinsal, noun. Once I get to Sandy where I heard this word. It was an old Sandy wife that told me an anybody that she had heard using the word, and as it was strange to her, she had remembered it. The anybody, speaking o' a coo about to calf, said the baste was at the point of tinsel, that is, delivery, given birth. Compare Old Norse. Number 1, a burden. 2, heavy affliction. The Scots word is a derivative of tina, verb to lose, etc. Setting down a burden, suffering loss, are they the same thing? Whatever, it's fine to hear 2 or 3 old tongues at the back of one word, all adding heft to the meaning.